Hello again, welcome back to my kitchen and my channel. Hello for the first time, if you're just here, new and special and all that kind of stuff. Today we're making another TikTok video because I feel like it and I'm very curious to see if this one actually works. So this video is from a TikTok called Caught Snacking, all one word, and it has the hashtags comfort food, home chef and good mood food. This is called a 3-ingredient Kinder Fudge, and this gentleman was kind enough to actually put the weights of ingredients. Also, this TikTok lasts approximately 20 seconds, so it's perfect.
You lot put this banging looking Kinder Fudge with only 3 ingredients: white chocolate chip, condensed milk and finely chopped up Kinder bars.
Right, so all he does is straight in about it, like dead fast. So all he does is he gets a pot. He puts white chocolate chips, which I'm not using, I'm just using white chocolate because I feel like it'll taste better. His Kinder bars, which are like these, like sort of, it's basically Kinder Egg chocolate, like the white and the dark, like the white chocolate inside and the dark chocolate outside, or the milk chocolate outside. It's just that chopped. So put that in. And so it's 400 grams of white chocolate. And you will need 400 grams of the, nope, not of the woof, you need 400 grams of the Kinder chocolate as well, because he actually wants you to put 200 in it, and then 200 on top of it to decorate, and then in this you put condensed milk. So, he essentially puts it all in the one pot and then heats it up. Oh my god. Right, so, it is a full tin of condensed milk that he uses as well. So obviously this is a diet fudge, you only can eat this when you're on a diet. Yeah. And that's it, apparently that's the 3 ingredients. He then heats it up to what he describes as cement mix. So let's watch the rest of this video. I'm sure he says cement mix.
Mix till it's looking like cement paste, get in a tray with the paper, chop up bare Kinder chocolate on the top and dash in the fridge till you get these delicious looking.
Right, so that is pretty much the end of the video, right? So yeah, he says melt this till it looks like cement paste, is what he says. Put it in a loaf tin, so he gets a loaf tin and parchment paper in it, fling it in that, decorate it, chill it, cut it. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to put this in the hob and I'll show you that on the hob. I assume this has to be done very slowly. So I've already went ahead and got a tin and lined it. So I'm already ready to put this stuff in here. I don't have high hopes for this fudge. When I've seen the TikTok, if you look at it closely before he puts the stuff on top of it, it's it looks like it's starting to split. So it looks like the fats have came out the chocolate. And the reason I used Kinder milk, or what do you call it? Milky Bar. I used Milky Bar instead of chocolate chips because chocolate chips are designed to be cooked. So they've got like a wax coating on them, and I feel like that wax coating being melted into, I don't think there's much wrong with it, I just thought maybe this would be better. But who knows? Who knows? Yeah, I think that's pretty much how he had it. Cool. Okay, so that's how he had it. So let's put it in the, could I have done that at any worse angle? Probably not. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! That's okay. Oh, it's so heavy. Ugh. Okay. I do not have the upper body strength. Okay, so I'll get a wee flatten out. And it's pretty hot, but it does say just put the chocolate straight on, so that's what we'll do, I suppose. So here's the rest of the chocolate. He does say it's like 200 grams. I think. Maybe it says 20 grams. Yeah, maybe I've done it wrong. Let's watch it again. Now, I think what's happened is I've read 200 grams and then 200 grams, but actually he's used the one lot of 200 grams and just kept a bit for the top. So yeah, mine says 400 grams of like Kinder bar in it when it's only supposed to have 200, but at least 200 is the topping. So the inside should still taste like what it's supposed to, but yeah. Anyway, this now goes in the fridge, so let's put this in the fridge until it hardens. Right, so that's now in the fridge. It'll be in there probably overnight, so I'll see you tomorrow.
The next day.
But yeah, why don't touch the knife like that? Right, I've actually not tried this yet. So to explain this to you, Marcus, okay, he's pure smelling while holding the knife, it's psychopath. Right.
I'm going to cut the fudge.
You'll cut the fudge, babe. So to explain this to you, it is a tick. Oh wait, no, do you know what I'll do? Do you know what I'll do even better? Hold on!
Right.
This TikTok is 10 seconds long, so you can...
I hate TikTok.
I know!
You got this banging looking Kinder Fudge with only 3 ingredients. White chocolate chip, condensed milk and finely chopped up Kinder bars. Mix till it's looking like cement paste, get in a tray with the paper, chop up bare Kinder chocolate on the top and dash
Bare Kinder chocolate.
Delicious looking slab. Give us a follow now because I said so. Enjoy.
That's it. Right. Oh my god, so that's what we've made.
Alright.
So I've no idea if it's going to be nice. It looks pretty stinking, to be honest with you. You've seen his chocolate that's sat on the top, mine has melted into it. So he lied, he absolutely put his chocolate on when it cooled down. That's what I get for 10 second TikTok.
Okay.
So this is what this is. So you batter in, cut it.
Okay.
You cut slices apparently.
Is that what you do when you cut something, you slice it?
Well, because you don't, if I was thinking about fudge, I would cube fudge, you fucking prick. But he wants to slice it, so we need to slice it.
I think you cube fudge.
You don't think you cube fudge?
No, I think you cube fudge.
Cube punch.
It's a rectangle. It's longer on one side.
You're a fucking
Cubes.
I hate you.
Like, look, a cube. All its edges are the same length. That's a flat rectangle. I mean, for that side it's a cube, but overall a 3-dimensional shape, it's not a cube.
I bet you get like all the birds when you're at school. Disappointing people. This is why nobody likes you, Marcus. Do you understand this?
Lots of people like me because you do. Even you married me.
I think that more people. But Marcus, what's under this? Why are you trying
There's fudge under the fudge. Oh no!
Right. I think more people dislike you than they do like you.
Nah.
Nah.
It's just the ones that hate me scream the loudest.
You struggling with this?
No, I'm trying not to, because I'm always para because the amount of things I've cut stuff on this and then it goes poof and goes flying away.
Oh.
Fudge.
Now, to me, this is not fudge.
Yeah, I don't think it's fudge either.
So.
What? Tell me to cut the fucking fudge. Here we go. Why is that funny?
Because you actually didn't even. It's almost like you were like, peasant. There you go. And you just like nudge the fudge towards me.
Nudge the fudge?
Nudge the fudge. I mean, I'm gonna just cut that again.
Okay.
Right. Cheers. Got a fucking sheer amount of fudge, just it.
Wow.
I mean, it's not fudge.
There's no fudge. It's alright.
I feel like I've just wasted Hannah's chocolate.
Why do you keep picking random things out of TikTok and making it and then going, that's shite? Why not get like a good recipe?
Because they all claim to be good recipes.
So you exposing shite recipes on TikTok?
No, I'm trying the trending recipes
Mm-hmm.
that just so happen to be actually being exposed as shite.
I think you're doing this because you know they're shite and you want to start drama.
Drama.
Aye. It's going to be you versus TikTok.
I'm never online even. Like somebody would call me a slut and then like fucking 2 months later go and go, sorry, I've just seen this.
Now you're going to turn into like that wee Facebook guy with the tatty scones. Sorry hen, they look shite.
Don't get me wrong, the things looked nice. They just taste shit. It's just a waste. An absolute fucking waste.
Nah, that's not great.
No, what have I got to do with all this now? Do you know what I mean? Suck here.
I'm not, leave it for the box.
The birds. Birds don't eat that.
Birds eat fucking hen.
That'll attract rats. Do you want rats? Because that's how you get rats.
We don't have rats anymore.
Do you want them back?
No. Where are they going to go? I killed them all.
See that? They're going to come like fucking Pied Piper running for that big fudgy block.
I miss the rats. I miss having something to hunt.
Although I will say this about it, it's quite satisfying to cut.
Aye, dead sickly actually afterwards.
Like, it's quite nice. It's almost like cutting soap. Do you know what I mean?
I'm not keen on it.
No, I'll never do it again. Want some? Wait, you want to cut some? I mean,
No, I'm alright. Because I'm done cutting.
it's quite satisfying. It's also very hard. Can you do it?
Is that why you wanted me to cut it out?
Yeah.
You fucking arsehole.
I prefer this fudge. Pound.
Pound.
Was it pound?
I believe you.
Right, well, while he's cutting that, I'm just going to say thank you very much for coming to watch me make TikTok fudge, which was pointless. If there's any TikToks that you want me, that's a big slab.
Okay.
Cut it smaller than that, fuck. If there's any TikToks that you want me to make or attempt,
You want me to cut it? I'm cutting it.
let me know. You can tell me via TikTok, you can tell me via Twitter or Instagram or Discord, but I'm hardly there. Or if you're a patron, I will see.
Stop telling me about things you wanted to cook.
Oh, do people tell you things? Because I don't tell him because he's never told me one. That's me just found out these people actually even tell him what they want.
I mean to, I just forget.
Because it's not important to you, is it?
You are very important to me. I care about you people.
You just don't give a fuck about my cakes and the things I do.
I like eating the cakes.
You like eating the cakes, but you don't want to hear anything about them. Stop!
Look at that. It's like fuses to the fucking knife, man.
If you'd like
Could
to
use
support
this
me
to
in any way,
grind
shape or
up.
form in my divorce, you can do so on Patreon, and I also have my own merch.
You could use this to grind. You could use this to grind the wall.